Hi, guys. Very good evening to all of you. I hope uh, the paper today was easy. I think so. And and you could have done most of the questions from it. As it can be seen on the level of the paper, that was not too much, we can say, complicated. So let me take one of the set of the paper right here, and we'll try to do some questions of it. If you have any doubts, if you have any confusions related to this, you can let me know. And I will try to cover maximum out of it. And you can write your views in the chat, and we can discuss each of them one by one. And I got one of the paper. Hmm. Okay. So whosoever got this series, so I have this paper with me. Uh, First of all, I just want to know whether I'm audible, whether I'm visible. Hmm? Just a moment. There in the chat section, you can let me know whatever the things you need to answer. Hmm? Okay, so guys, you can see the paper right here. I will be sharing. Hmm. Yeah. How many of you are having this as your series? Yeah, come on, tell me. Come on, guys, let me know how many of you was having this as your this was their series. Yeah, come on, tell me. Who is with me? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Can you see the paper? Okay, fine. So let's start with without wasting any time. So I think hmm, okay, fine, guys. I will try to do it a little bit fast for you. If you please want to justify your answers, just write your answers in the chat. I will check whether it's okay. Okay. So first question. First of all, raise your hands. How many of you are having this? Was having this as your series? This is 35 2 of I think set two, right? Yeah. Come on, tell me. Okay. So first question, and most of the questions were actually same. You can see most of the questions were same. It was just the order of the questions were different, and that could have been done easily, isn't it? So see, let's start with the first question. Easy question, right? So first question is given by if alpha beta are the zeros of p of x. So what's your p of x? Come on. This is your p of x. Okay. So first of all, alpha into beta is equal to, so what is here alpha into beta? Minus b by a, isn't it? So alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, isn't it? So what is here alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is 30 upon k. What's here alpha into beta? That is equal to 45 k upon yes, b, that's k. So when we will solve this thing, what I will get? Come on, tell me, what should I get? You can see the k and k will get cancelled. That is equal to 0. So that here it will be, I will get k is equal to 2 by 3, I think. Isn't it? So option number 3, simple. Just asking how many of you was having this as your series? paper series. Yes. Clear? Done. Easy. Okay. Now, many people were having actually the confusion in this MCQs, and all other questions they were actually interlinked to each other. See, this question very easy. This is 10. This is 10. What will be the side? This. If you see, this is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. What will be the chord of this length? Simple isosceles triangle, right angled isosceles triangle. So this will be 2 root 10. Simple. Sorry. How can you do this? Wait. This is also 10, isn't it? 10 square, that is hypotenuse, that will be equal to, yes, 10 root 2. Simple answer, isn't it? Okay, next, because it will be, see, 100 plus 100 is equal to AB square, isn't it? This is 200 is equal to AB square, right? If you see this, AB square. Okay, so this can be written as 100 into 2. When I take a root of it, this will be 10 into root of 2. Simple, that's the answer. Got it? Now, next question, also one of the easy question. Come on, guys, let me know how to do this, how we have done this question. Yes, every one of you, you can send me, you can be in the chat. You can answer the questions. Come on, tell me how to do this question. See, this is the question which was given. Fourth term. See, first of all, what we will do, we will try to actually simplify this thing. Okay, this is 7. We'll also took all the terms in the form of 7. If you see, this is root of 7. Okay, this is 28. Can I write 28 as 4 root 4 into 7? 4 7 is 28, and when I will take the root of 4, that will be 2. So that is 2 root 28. And this number is actually 63. 63 is actually your number, and it can be written as 9 into 7. In terms of 9, as I said, 9 into 7, and when it is 9 into 7, I will take root outside. This is 3 root 7, I think. This is 3 root 7. What should be the next term? The next term should be equal to 4 root 7, isn't it? 4 root 7 means I have to take root inside. That is 7 into 16. Are you getting me? 7 into 16. 7 into 16 is equal to under root of 112. Simple. This is the answer. And this question, simple conceptual, and this was just to make you people confused, nothing else. The product of two coprime numbers, 5, 5, 5, 3. So if you know the two coprime numbers, then their HCF is always equal to 1, isn't it? HCF is 1. Simple. Next question. Now, if we move to the next question, that's also one of the easiest question. Very easy question. See, the question given was, you have x by a equal to cos of theta, isn't it? Y by b is equal to sine of theta, right? So you have to find the value of this. Now, as per the question, it itself suggested that you have to take the square of it. So I will say that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So what is cos square theta? That is x square by a square is equal to y plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now, if I will simplify this, that is b square x square plus a square y square divided by a square b square is equal to 1. When I will take this on the other side, that is b square x square plus a square y square is equal to a square b square. That is your option number 1. Simple. I hope every one of you is getting this. Yes, come on, let me know. Pass, guys. I'm waiting for your response. Whosoever is with me, Joan, are you there? Zahid, anyone? Okay, come on. Let's go for the next question. Okay. See, this is also one of the easy question. Easy. I don't even need to do all this. This is pretty easy. Okay. See, a quadratic equation, this is given, fine. So you know it has an real and equal roots. Real and equal roots means b is greater, d is equal to 0, isn't it? That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That means you have to find the value of c. So b square is equal to 4ac. So c will be equal to b square by 4a. Simple answer. That is b square by 4a. That's this option number 3. Isn't it? See how easy these questions are getting. These are so easy questions. Okay, now the next question is, it is said that in this is parallel to this, so you can use the BPT 2.4. See, this is someone whose paper I got. This is 2.4, and this is given as 2. So I can use, you have to find the length of AC. Now I have to use this as a whole. So can I say AD by AB is equal to AE by AC? So this is 2.4 divided by 6.4 is equal to 2 divided by AC. I think I'm not wrong here, isn't it? So AC you can find. So 2, 10, and 10 will get cancelled. This is, uh, I can say this as 12, 2, 1, 2, 12. This is 12 by 24. Uh, 12 by 24, this is 3 upon 16. 3 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon AC. So AC will be equal to 16 upon 3. This is the answer. Third option. Clear? Clear? I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay. Next question. Let's move to the next question. Okay. Are you able to do it yourself, or I will show? This is the easy question. This is the easy question. The length of the arc of a circle with radius 12 centimeter. Radius is 12 centimeter and the length of arc is 10 pi. You know the length of arc is equal to, yes, theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. R is 12. Come on, 10 and 10 will go. Sorry, pi and pi will go. 2 into this, 2, 1, 2, 5. Isn't it? Now, go for the cancellation of this thing. 6, 2, 6, 60, 2, 1, 2. What should be the answer? 2, 1, 2, 30. Now, theta is equal to 30 into 5. That is 150 degree. This is the answer. Next question, make a triangle, get the answer. How you can get this? See, secant of theta is equal to 5 by 4. Make a triangle. What is secant? This is theta, isn't it? So secant of theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is 5. This is 4. So as per the BP, this Pythagoras theorem, this should be 3, isn't it? You need cot theta. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. What is base? That is 4. What is perpendicular? That is 3. So it should be 4 by 3. That's the answer. Simple. Got it. Question number this, perimeter, same. So you can use the perimeter of the sector, that is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r plus 2 theta, 2r, isn't it? Use this, and which subtends an angle, r is given as 12, isn't it? Which subtends an angle theta at the find at the center. So this needs some calculation, you can do it, isn't it? This is 60, 360. 2 into 22 by 7, isn't it? Use the formula and R is 21, get the answer. Fine. Okay. Okay. Because we don't have enough time to do all these questions. I'm trying my. So, John, what was your this series? What was your paper code? I hope that all these questions are actually mostly linked. You can see the many questions. They are actually interlinked to each other. See, this is the question, RJ. This is here 42. And you have to find angle JOL. That means this angle. Simple, easy question. You have to use just one single theorem here. That means that angle between the radius and the perpendicular is always 90 degree. So if you see this as a quadrilateral like this is given to be 42. So as per this should be equal to 48 because this whole angle is 98. And as you see, this and this is the isosceles triangle. This is also 48. 48, 48, 96. So how much should be this angle? This angle as per me should be equal to 40, 84, 81, 80 minus 96. Got it. Guys, are you getting it or not? Yes or no? Just a simple thing, yes or no. So how was your paper? Devik, Ghosh, Johan, how was your paper? Come on, let me know. I hope it was 100%. Oh my God. Assertion, which one? Same assertion? Let's discuss that. Let's discuss that. Don't worry. Okay. See, prime factorization of 2520. What is the prime factorization of 2520? Come on. Okay. It's 2. That is 1. 260. It's 2. It's 630. It's 2. Yes. It's 315. isn't it? Then it will be 3. Then it will be 3, 3, 3, or I will take it 5. Let's take first 5. When I take it 5, it will be 60. One will be there 65. 63, sorry. Again, I can take it by 3. 3, it is 21. Again by 3, it is 7. So prime factorization of this is 2 is 3 times, 3 is 2 times, 5 is once, 7 is once. Now compare it with this. See, 3 to the power is, so A is 2. 5 is not there, so B is equal to 1. So you have to find the value of the 2A, that is 2 plus, wait, what's 2? What's A? A is 2, isn't it? What's B? B is 5. B is not 1. Sorry, I mistakenly. B is 5. So that is 2 times 5. That's equal to 12. This is the option number 5. Simple. Okay. Okay. See, these are the lines which of the following represent the intersecting lines or known coplanar lines. Simple. What is A1 by A2? That is 1 by 2. What is B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by 2. What is C1 by C2? That is 5 by 7. That means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So what is the condition? Come on, tell me. What is the condition? Are they parallel? Are they intersecting? Are they coincident? Are they perpendicular to each other? Come on, come on, come on. Let me know, everyone. In the chat, in the chat. Parallel. Very good. These are parallel lines. Okay. Next. Hmm. One ticket is drawn from a random bag containing tickets numbered from 1 to 40. Find the probability that the selected number of the tickets will be the multiple of 7. Come on. Yes. How many multiples of 7 are there from 1 to 40? How many multiples of 7 are there from 1 to 40? Yes. First multiple is 7, then it is 14. How many multiples are there? How many? What is the last multiple? What is the last multiple? Last multiple is 35. So there are 5 multiples of 7, isn't it? Out of 40. So there are total numbers of 5 upon 40. So that is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Simple question of LCM. Simple question of LCM. So how to do the LCM? What is 28? 28 can be written as 2 square into 7. Then it is 44. 8 into 11. Oh, sorry, 4 into 11. That is 2 square into 11. Okay, 132. 132 can be written as, yes. How to write the 132? 132 can be written as 11 into 12. 122. Yeah, 11 into 12. So what is that? 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 into 11. Come on, tell me. What is the answer? You are getting D? Nice, 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 nice. Okay, fine. So what is it? LCM will be equal to 2 as it is, that is 2 square. Then what's the extra thing? 3, 7, 11. That is equal to 924. Correct. Okay. Now, question 16. What is the answer of this? Simple, you can do it. I think this can be done. What is the D here? D is here 3. First term is here 3, isn't it? You have to find the last term, isn't it? The number of the terms in an AP, that is A n will be equal to 1, 1, 1, isn't it? A plus n minus 1. I think this can be done. This is easy, isn't it? Now next. Now next. The ratio of the pole of the, what is the answer of this? What is the answer of this, by the way? Come on, tell me, guys, what you got the answer of this? Debik, Joan, what is the answer of this? Hmm? Yes, you forgot. Okay. N is 37. Simple. Okay. The ratio of the length of the pole and its shadow. See, this is the length of the pole. This is its shadow. And the ratio of the length of the pole is 1 and the shadow on the ground is root 3. The angle of elevation, simple. So you will use here tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. And when it gives 1 upon root 3, yes, 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 yes. When it gives 1 upon root 3, every one of you. When tan theta gives 1 upon root 3. Hmm? I'm asking you people, when tan theta gives 1 upon root 3, 30 degree? Very good. Very good, very good, very good, John. Yes, which formula you have to use here? Mean minus mode. Yeah. Isn't it? What's the formula, guys? Come on, tell me what's the formula? Mean is equal to mode, mean and mode. So what I can do? So mode will be equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean, isn't it? So what is mode given as? Mode is given as 12 is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. So mean is 24, that will be equal to 48, right? I can do this thing. This is 3 times median is equal to, yes, take it on the other side. This is 60. So median is equal to 60 upon 3, that's 20. This is the answer. Okay. Now the question number 19, which many people got it wrong. See, ABCD is a trapezium. Come on, this is a trapezium. Fine, good. Okay. This is ABCD. Okay, there is a line EF which is parallel to this. Fine, okay. E and F are the points on this. The EF is parallel. Then AE by ED. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Yes, that's true. That's true, isn't it? And why you are using this? Because the any line parallel to the parallel sides of a trapezium divides the non-parallel sides into two equal power this proportionally. So the option number 1 is correct. That means the essential. What is the option 1 for the 20th one? Hmm. Assertion is both assertion and the reason are true, and reason is actually the correct explanation of this. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Now getting to the question number this 20, which Devik, you say saying that I got it wrong. Uh, okay. So it is saying the degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Is it true or false? Zero polynomial will it is a zero, and degree of a non-zero constant polynomial. Let us suppose it is 5 is zero. I can write 5 as x to the power 0. So it is true. Reason is true. So it is degree is equal to 0. But what is the degree of 0? What's the degree of 0? What's the degree of 0? Joan, what's the degree of 0? Not defined. Because we can't put it as a perfect power. It is not defined. Yes, this is true. This is true. This is also true. But this can't be the correct explanation of this. So option number B is correct for this. What you wrote? Devik, what you wrote? It says the assertion is true. Reason is also true. But assertion is not the reason is not the correct explanation of this. No, no, no. What option you wrote for this? Oh, sad. Okay, let's make it fast. Let me fast. I will just try to explain the questions. Just try to explain the questions. I will not see 1 by A upon 1 by B. How you will do it? That is alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. What's alpha plus beta? That's minus 5, isn't it? What's alpha into beta? That's the product of roots. That's 4. Minus 2 times alpha into beta. This will be 8. Simplify it, get the answer. Simple. Got it? Got it? This can be done. As I told, I won't be doing. Yes, it could be. It could be. Find the point P. Okay. Uh, in how much this divides it? Okay, say this is a point. This is minus 6 comma 10. Okay, this is 3 comma minus 8. Okay, fine. And P is a point here, minus 4 comma 6. Okay, in which ratio it divides it? In which ratio? Let us suppose the ratio is k is to 1. So minus 4 will be equal to, let's take the y coordinate, x coordinates only. So minus 4 will be equal to, yes, mx2, that is k into 3 plus ny1 minus 6 divided by k plus 1, isn't it? That is minus 4 plus minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 6. So what should be the answer? I will turn it on the other side. This will be equal to minus k is equal to, yes, minus 7k is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to 2 by 7 if I am not wrong. So it is 2 is to 7. Is it true? Is it true? 2 is to 7? Okay, you did or, you did or. Come on, I will do or as well. I don't want to do the r, but still, for you, I will do the or part as well because we don't have the enough time to do all these questions, all the questions. And okay, fine. Let us suppose this is point A, this is point B, this is point C. How much I will get AB? Come on, come on. How much I will get AB? How many of you are here watching me? Please raise your hands. Give me thumbs up. Every one of you. Okay. How much is AB? How much is AB? This is A into B, that is 3 square, 3 to 3 plus, that is 9 square, 9 square plus 4, that is equal to, yeah, how much it will be? And that you know, this is the very famous one, that is equal to 5, isn't it? AB is 5. So how much is BC? That is equal to 7. 49. 49 minus 1 plus 1, that is 50. 50 can be written as 25 into 2, that is equal to 5 root. Till here, it's not this. Okay. Now AC. This is 4. 4 plus this, the AC will be equal to root of 5. Okay. So no, this is 5 only. Okay, you can see 5 and 5 is equal. One more thing I will tell you here. This is also an isosceles triangle, but this is a right angled isosceles triangle. You can see it. You can see 5, 5 square. You can get it 2 times. This will be the hypotenuse. Okay, so this you proved this is a right angled triangle. Clear? Very nice. Question was easy, easy paper. So it was so easy that it could have been done just in a 2 hours, 2 hours, 15 minutes. You could have finished the paper. Okay. Now, this is the question. 2 into 1030, that is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 3, sorry, into secant of 60. Secant of 60 is equal to cos of 60. Cos of 60 is 1 by 2. Secant of 60 is 2, right? Okay. Multiplied by tan of 45. Tan 45, you know, is equal to 1. Whole divided by. Now, this is the easiest step. This is 1 minus sine square. Sine square 60. Can I write it as cos square 60? Cos square 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So this could have been 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 4. And you will get the answer. 2, 4, 8, 8, 2, 16. That is equal to 16 by root 3. When you will do the rationalization of this is equal to 16 root 3 by 3. And this is the better way to put in the rationalized form. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. Who has done the 24th question? Come on. Debik, Joan. You can see Joan, Debik. Many questions are actually interlinked to each other. Yes. What was the answer for the 24th? How you did the 24th question? Easiest question. Hmm. A carton consists of the 60 shirts and 48 are good. How many are good? How many are good? 48. Major defect are 8. Minor defect, I will write here MJ defect. MN defect. You can write anything. MJD. MN, that is minor defect, is equal to 4. Okay. Nigam, a trader which accept the shirts uh, which are good, but Anmol, uh, another trader, will only reject the shirt when he has a major defect. Okay, one shirt is drawn from a random from the card. Find the probability it is acceptable by Anmol. When it is acceptable by Anmol, when he gets a shirt, Anmol accepts the shirts, only rejects the shirt when he gets a major defect. That means if he gets the major defect only this one, he will reject the shirt. That means when he get the good shirt, he will accept. When he get the minor defect, he will accept. So it is 52 out of 60. So 52 out of 60 can be written as 13 by 15. I think so. Clear? Clear? Clear, guys? Is it okay? Next. Okay. If a tangent inclined at an angle 60 degree are drawn parallel to the circle of radius, find the length of each tangent. Easy or tough? Hmm? What's the question saying? First of all, let's understand the question. Question is saying that if a tangent, if two tangents inclined at a 60 degree are drawn to the circle of radius 6 or radius 3. This is a circle of radius 3. Hmm? This is 90. Hmm? This is 60 degree. Two tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So half of this will be 30 degree. Simple. This is 3. This is 3. And how much is the length of the tangent? It is so easy. You will use tan 30 degree is equal to, let us suppose this is x, isn't it? This is perpendicular, this is base, sorry, this is perpendicular, this is 3 upon uh, 3 upon x. Tan 30, this is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 3 upon x. So x will be equal to 3 root 3. So the value of this is 3 root 3. Clear? Hmm? And next question, it is just a proving question. Prove that the tangents, this has been showed many times in the class. So I think, John, you got the same answer for this? An arc of a circle is 60, oh, sorry, 10 centimeter of radius. So radius is 10 centimeter, isn't it? And, uh, okay, subtends the right angle at the center. Hmm? So it is subtending the right angle at the center. The arc of a radius, an arc of a radius of length 10 centimeters subtends an angle, right angle at the center. Okay, it is subtending right angle at the center. Okay, fine. Find the area of the corresponding major sector. That means you have to find the area of this corresponding major sector. If this is 90, see, you can do it in two ways. First, find the area of a circle pi r square. Okay, this way. And second, find the area of this sector. Subtract them, get the answer. Or if you will not do by this way, this is 90, find its reflex angle, get the answer. Okay, easy. This is also an easy question. A parallelogram that is circumscribed as a circle is a rhombus. How to do this? Sir, I did or. Which one or? Which or, by the way? Which or you did, Joan? Yes. How you can do this? This is an easy question. Prove that the parallelogram this is a circle. Let us suppose this is a circle and the parallelogram is circumscribing the circle. See, easy. You can use the things that what is the basic thing that you have to prove? You have to prove that the sides are equal. Already you have A, B, C, D. You have AB is equal to BC. Oh, sorry. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Now you can show this and this is equal, this and this is equal, isn't it? And similarly, this part is equal to this part, isn't it? And this 4, I will put it equal to this. Now, accordingly, you can use the things and you can prove the theorem, right? If you want, I can show it to you, but this is very easy. Hmm? When you will prove this and this is equal, add them all, you will get the answer. Clear? How many of you have done this? I hope you people have done this. Okay, 25th. Okay, guys. So this was an easy one. Next one is simple again, easy. This is saying that, yep. What's the next question saying? Show that root 3 is irrational. This has been showed many times in the class. Root, yes, I know, Devik. It is there. Yes, it is. Root 3 is an irrational. Simple. Root 3 is irrational. How you can show this? Simply, this have been showed. Let us suppose this is irrational. So we will put this p by q. 3 is equal to p square by q square. Then we will put this in the simplest form. This is easy. We have done this. Isn't it? Isn't it? We have done this. Many times have been showed this. So, and how to do this thing? See, when you will evaluate this, you will get 2 plus 3 plus, yes, 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 6, isn't it? And this is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. So this is rational. This is irrational. So sum of two rational and irrational is non-irrational, given that root 6 is irrational. Simple, isn't it? Okay. Next question. This is a good question. How many of you have done this? This one. How many of you have done this question? Come on, tell me. If the sum of first 14 terms of AP is 10, that is S14 is given as 1050. Okay. And the first term is 10. That means A is equal to 10. Good. Find the 20th term. Here you have to find the two things. You have to find the 20th term and you have to find the nth term. That means when you will find the nth term, then only you can find the 20th term. Come on, guys. How many of you have done this? This is an easy question again. Again, an easy question. See, when you find the S14th term, so what is S14th term? Simple. What is the S14th term? That is n by 2 a plus an. I will use this. This is equal to 1050. Okay. Okay. So after evaluation, this should be equal to, this is 14, 14 by 2 is 17, a is 10 plus, yes, how to find the an is the last term, that is equal to 10 plus a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 13d, is equal to 1050. Oh, this is 7, this is 20, this is 7. See, this will be 150. So 20 plus 13d is equal to 150 when 7 will be divided to this. So 13d is equal to 130. So d is equal to 10. So you got d as 10. So what will be the tn? Hmm? Nth term. So nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 10. D is 10, isn't it? This is 10 into n minus 1, right? So if I take 10 common, that is 1 plus n minus 1, isn't it? That is equal to 10 times n. So T20th, that is 20th term, is equal to 10 into, yes, am I doing it correct? 10 into 20, that's 200. Huh? You did 29th or. Okay. This is what I got. I thought I'm getting it correct. This is easy. Good, John. Okay. So should I go for the next, this or part? Devik, for you? Huh? Or shall I leave it? Devik, shall I do it for you? Sum of last term is 45. Last term is 45. Okay. The last term is sum of all the terms is equal to 400. Okay. Find the sum of the terms, find the number of the terms. That means you have to find it. I think this is easy. This is easy, isn't it? Can you do it? What you got the answer, Devik? See, from here, you will get one equation 5 by 2 into a plus n minus 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 5. And from here, you can raise the another equation, or from here, you can get the another one and equate both of them. You can get the answer. Simple. I will move. Okay. Okay. Good question here. From the question, how much, which one it is? 30th. Okay. So 30th question gives rise that you have sine theta. This is easy. Okay. So you can multiply this. This is sine square theta plus, when I multiply this, 1 into 1 is 1 plus cos into cos is cos square theta. 1 into cos is cos theta plus cos into 1 is cos of theta plus cos square theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into sine theta. Okay, this is cos and cos. This is 2 cos theta. This is 1. This and this will rise to 1. That is 2 plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sine of theta. My God, such an easy question. This is 2 times 1 plus cos of theta divided by 1 plus cos of theta into sine of theta. This and this will go sine of theta. This is 2 cosec of theta. That's your answer. Clear? Easy? Okay, next. A jar contains 54 marbles, each of which are blue, green, white. So the probability of selecting a blue marble from the random jar, probability of selecting a blue marble from the random jar is 1 by 3. Okay. And probability of selecting a green marble is 4 by 9. Okay. 1 by 3. This is probability of green marble is 4 by 9. How many white marbles are there? Let us suppose white marbles are X. Okay. What is the probability of getting a white marbles from the jar? Probability of getting a white marbles, isn't it X upon 54 overall? I think, see, isn't it? So what to do in this case? So we know probability of getting all the things, probability of blue plus probability of getting a white, probability of getting a green is equal to 1. Isn't this the overall probability? This is equal to probability of 1 by 3. I can rate it as 3 by 9. plus probability of white. This is x by 54 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 1. 1, it is 7 by 9. I will take it on other side. This is 54. This is 1 minus 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is equal to x upon 54 is equal to 2 upon 9. 9196 x is equal to 12. So there are 12 marbles, which are white in nature. Simple. Clear? Clear, clear. Many times this question has been showed even in the NCRT point of view. Huh? From a point on the bridge across the river, the angle of depression to the banks on the opposite sides of the river is 60 and 30. If the bridge is at the height, let us suppose this is bridge is at the height of 4 centimeter above the uh, hmm? Here the angles are 60, here the angles are 30. So what you have to do, you have to find the width. I think this is easy. Is this so or not? Can do it. Okay. Have you done it? Yes or no? Joan? Debek? Okay. How this question is done? I will just give the idea of this. See, in a given this triangle, FEC, FEC, and GDB, GDB, these two are, we can say, they are congruent to each other. This triangle and FE, this triangle, they are congruent to each other. Fine. Okay, good. Hmm. So if they are congruent to each other and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so you have to find ADE is congruent. So first thing is that this triangle and this triangle is congruent. So how this will help you? Come on, tell me. But I was able to do all. That's good. That's good. So ADE, this triangle is similar to which triangle? Hmm. ABC. How can we do it? How can we do it? Simply, you can show angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. That's it. AEC, when AEC are this is equal, you can see that these two are, we can say they are in the proportional. Isn't it? That's it. Can be done. This is the easiest question. AB and AC are the medians of the triangle and are respectively. Many times this is simple NCRT question. Can be done. Easy. This one. I don't have the enough time. Otherwise, I would have showed you all the things. Okay. Now tent. It is given a conical tent, right? Fine, guys. And height is given this. This height is. So find the slant. Slant height is 4.2. Hmm? Cylindrical part. The height is 3.5. And if the height and the diameter, so the radius is 3. Okay, radius is 3. So what else you need in this? Hmm. What else you need in this? You have to find the curved surface area of both of them, then multiply it by 500 because meter square, isn't it? You can see every part is here in the meter. So you have CSA, that is 2 CSA of this is 2 pi RH plus pi RL. Add both of them. Height is given. Okay. Multiply at the end by 500, you will get the answer. It's easy. It's easy. Guys, you can tell me if there any doubt in any question, I will show it. 35, also easy linear equation in two variables. This is a small square and the greater square. Okay. Small square, if I take it x, if I take it y. Okay. Also a linear equation in two variable. And exceed by 4, that means we can say x, y minus x is equal to 4, isn't it? This is the one equation. Next equation, you will get the square of them is 400. Put it there, get the answer. Clear? This is little bit blur case study type questions. This is just uh mean mode median question type. You can do it. Easy one. You you were able to do it. You were able to do it, guys. Okay. So this is also one of the case study question. I think this is also easy for you. Hmm. So what was the question actually? Cashier found that 300 tickets were sold and an amount of 50,000 was collected. Okay. See, this is, I think this is also the easy question for you. Hmm? Any confusion, guys? Any confusion? Yes, Joan, Debik. Any question in the case study type questions? If yes, then let me know. I will show it. This is just a coordinate. You have to find the distance. I think nothing else. Huh? Come on, guys. Let me know. Any doubt here? See, previous question also easy. It is saying that 300 tickets are there. Okay. So total amount will be equal tickets from children's to tickets from adults, isn't it? So how many tickets from the adults will be there? So 200,250 per adult, isn't it? And 250 to 150 per child, isn't it? So how can you say that the how many children, if the number of the children are x and the number of the adults are y, write the equation, you can write it. Okay. How many childrens visited the amusement park? You have to find the x and y. Simple, isn't it? How much tickets collected if 200 children, so x. Okay, 100 adults. Give it there, you will find the answer. Okay, I hope any confusion, just let me know in the chat, please. Okay. Okay, guys. So I hope this was pretty Dabik, very, very, very sad for that you lost your 1 mark. Okay. Anyways, good luck for all of you. Take care. Bye bye.